Climate change is serious and it is considered as a crisis of our time. Right now, we're facing a man made disaster of global scale and the greatest threat in thousands of years. Climate change is the global phenomenon of climate transformation, characterized by the changes in the usual climate of the planet regarding temperature, precipitation, and wind. And this is especially caused by human activities. As a result of unbalancing the weather of Earth, the sustainability of the planet ecosystem is under threat, as well as the future of humankind and the stability of global economy. What is climate change?
The main causes of climate change are humanity. It is the increased use of fossil fuels, such as coal, oil, and gas to generate electricity, run cars and other forms of transport, and power manufacturing and industry. Second is the deforestation. Why? Because living trees absorbed and store carbon dioxide. Now that we had less trees because of deforestation, the less the absorption and the storage of carbon dioxide. Third is increasingly intensive agriculture, which emits greenhouse gases like methane and nitrous oxide. Natural causes of climate change as well. All know the Earth has gone through warm and cool phases in the past, and long before humans were around. Forces that contribute to climate change include the sun's intensity, volcanic eruptions, and changes in naturally occurring greenhouse gas. But records indicate that today's climatic warming, particularly the warming since the mid 20th century, is occurring much faster than ever before and can't be explained by natural causes alone. These natural causes are still in play today, but their influence is too small or they occur too slowly to explain the rapid warming seen in recent decades.
Effects of climate change in our locality. Climate change is projected to increase the frequency and intensity of extreme weather events that greatly affect the people in our locality. These weather events are extreme heat, drought that can lead to declining of water supplies, heavy rains that can cause flood in our locality. These changes are likely to increase losses to property and crops and costly disruption to society.
Here are some solutions to climate change. First, avoid illegal doings like mining and illegal logging or illegal cutting of trees in our forest. Second, learn the 3 R's, which are reduce, reuse, and recycle of waste. Third, minimize the use of carbon dioxide like sprays or perfumes. Fourth, minimize using of chemicals because it reacts in our area. Fifth, no to air pollution like smoke of vehicles. Even the smoke we use by people can be polluted like cigarettes. Sixth, learn discipline and be a clean and green individual in the community or in our localities.
This climate change is really a global concern and challenge in life. The uncertainties is great and adverse effects of it is really detrimental in our daily life and as a society in a whole. And since we are a developing country, most likely our population is vulnerable and least likely to adapt climate change. With the help of the policies regarding environmental concerns, advocates and adherents of the society, in our simple ways of caring the environment, we could hand in hand mitigate the risk of it in our everyday lives.